Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Honda CRV key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR1616 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the casing, usually near the key ring. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The internal components will now be accessible. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old CR1616 battery. Now, insert the new CR1616 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This is a crucial step for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. Also, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.